Welcome to my channel, The Vent Craft. This channel is dedicated to showing you designs as well as tips, tricks, and how to make various crafts ranging from hearts, fascinators, hand fan, bouquet, and much more. Today we're going to be making this Crinoline Fascinator. So what we'll be needing is this small gold crinoline. Then we'll be needing the Big Crinoline, our zigzag scissors, ordinary straight scissors, elastic band, half pearls, thread for the different colors of crinoline, that's black and gold, our B7000, needle, and small piece of pulley. So let's start. So I measure out my big crinoline. What I need is 30 inches. 30 inches. So that's our 30. And I'm going to cut it right now. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is to remove the silver, because I don't want the silver. So I said let me use, I couldn't find the black crinoline, only black. It had the silver pattern. Since I'm mixing it with gold, I don't think it's right for the silver to be there, because what the client wants is black and gold, no silver. So since I couldn't get that, what I'm going to do is take off the silver. So watch, in case you get into that same situation, this is how you take off the other color from the crinoline. It will leave a space like this, but by the time you finish your work, you don't see nothing. Okay, while you watch the removal of the silver from the black, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do take this opportunity to subscribe and also click the bell button so that you don't miss any of my DIYs. Thank you. Let's keep watching. Okay, I'm chopping up the excess there so it's straight. Then I would bend the two crinolines like I'm doing and pull out that thread that is attached to the crinoline. I'll squeeze. We've already done this part in one of my DIYs already. I've done this. I've shown how to make the cap-like crinoline. So I'll put the link down in the description so you can look at it again in a different color. I think it's clearer than this black that I made. I'll try and also see if I can put the link above on this video as I post, so you can watch out for that. So after you're done, you of course tighten the tip with your thread. Now we're going to make, what we're making actually is a flat cap. That's what the client requires, a flat cap. So I didn't complete it in this video because I already have a video that shows it clearer. This black to me doesn't appear to be clear. So I will drop how to make that cap. You'll see it in the description below. If you don't know how to make the cap, you see it in the description below or above. I'll try and see if I can do that thing that comes out on YouTube, you know, that pops up as a suggestion. So, but if you don't see it, check the description. So that's it. That's the flat cap that we've done. That's the flat cap that we've done. I'm measuring the elastic band now. The elastic band that I used is 13 inches. As I've told you before, 13 inches is okay for an adult, it's okay for a child. So you can use 13 inches. And now I'm sewing the elastic band to the flat cap. And that's the way you do it. You sew the edges of the elastic band first of all, then take it from one side to the other side to tighten it properly. So I'm doing the second part right now, because the elastic band the client needs. But you can actually attach a clip to this. You can attach an Alice band to it. So it's not only elastic band that you can use. Okay, now I'm measuring the small crinoline. What I'm going to use is a yard, which is 36 inches. So the first thing you do is to join the edges together. You tighten it Once I'm done with that, I fold it into two and bend. Can't see, but I'm going to use the flat cap to know how big I want the loop to be. Because what we're doing is loops. There are different ways to make loops, but this is the way I made this loop. For the shining part of the crinoline to be on top and the plain part underneath. So I fold it same length as the other side. Another loop. I'm making another loop. So that's what I'm doing. I'll fold like that. Then join the two other edges together. Watch it carefully. I'm sure you'll get the hang of it and be able to make it. And I look forward to seeing your pictures of what you have made from my DIY on our Facebook committee, my Facebook community. If you check the description below, you will see the Facebook community. Please do go there and post what you have made to enable me to also correct you if there's any error that you have made. Do you understand? And of course, also celebrate that you made something. You made a fascinator, you made a hand fan, whatever you made from any of my DIYs, please do go to my Facebook community and upload it. It will give me great joy to know that you're actually learning from what I'm teaching. I would really, really appreciate that. Okay, that's done now. So the next thing is to attach it to the flat cap. So you just take it from the flat cap underneath your thread back up. Remember, anytime you come to the top part that it's going to be visible, you make it small so that it's not visible up there. Make it tiny. And that's why I use a matching thread so it doesn't show. But of course, even if you use a matching thread and you make that when you're going in, it's wide, it will definitely still show. But you make it small. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to take it round, sort of. Do you understand? On all the loops, I would make sure I take the thread down through it. If you have any question concerning this DIY, please do feel free and drop me a comment in the comment section below and I'll respond as soon as possible. Thank you. Okay, we're done with that. So it's time to knot it. Okay, the next thing I'm doing is cutting out my circle. Now I like to have my circle having that zigzag look, so that's why I'm using the zigzag scissors. If you can't cut a circle perfectly, you can just use a cover that is circle that same size and cut it. Okay, I've left that to put my half pearls. You can decorate yours anyhow, or you can leave it out. You don't necessarily need to put the pearls, but I put the pearls because that's what the client requested for. It's actually for her daughters. And the reason why I use B7000 is because the gum doesn't come out so much through the tip where the passage for the gum is very tiny, so it won't spill off if you use that. It will just go to exactly where you want. And now I'm covering the back where you have all the thread sewing, so I would cover that. Yes, and anytime you put your gum, after a while you still have to press it down. Now the scissor